Hey everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you own the H96 Max M12 or other powerful Android TV box, you usually get one massive problem. It gets unbelievable hot. I'm talking about up to 90 degrees Celsius when you actually using it. But today I'm gonna to find out if this tiny €5 Android USB radiator can fix this overheating issue for good. Let's put it to test. So I have H96 Max M12 version. It costs about €100 and it has powerful chip S928X. So it's working really good, but it has problem with heating. So I just bought this tiny radiator for €5 from AliExpress. So this is the box and this is radiator. So it's quite small, but let's check, is it powerful enough to fix my heating problem. So as you can see, now the thermals is about 85 degrees. So usually when I'm not using this TV box, the temperature is about 70. But when I'm using, the temperature rising up to 90 degrees. Okay, so now let's try to connect my radiator to Android TV box. So it has USB cable and I will just plug it into the one of the USBs ports. So if you can hear, it started to work and I can feel the wind coming from the blades. So let's try to put under my Android TV box and let's check the thermals now. Okay, it's still 86. Okay, let's try to open the app full screen. Okay, let's check the thermals. So you can see now it has about 76, 75 and it's dropping. So in the minute it dropped about 10 Celsius. Okay, now it's 70. So the problem is if my Android TV box reaches 90 degrees or more, it usually restarts. So it's very annoying. And that €5 device is fixing that problem. So you can see the thermals is now 77 and it's still dropping. $75. sorry, not 70, 65, and still dropping. So in about 2 minutes the temperature dropped about 20 degrees, so I think it's a very good device and really helps to fix my problem with this Android TV box. Okay, now let's try to play game. I will try to play beach buggy racing, and let's check temperatures after that. Okay, so let's try to play this game, and after that we will check the temperature of our Android TV box. Okay, so now let's check the temperatures and how the fan fixed our problem. So I will check my app, and you can see the temperature is still about 65 and about 60. So you can see in this place, so it just popped a little bit when I was playing, and now it's back to normal. So this Android radiator is really working, and I recommending you, if you have problem like I, to use this. The only disadvantage is that this fan is making noise. If you want to hear, I will let you. So yes, it is making a noise, but if you put it in some closed space with this fan, I don't think it will be a big problem for you to use it. I will leave link in the video description if you wanna buy this, and if you liked this content, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. So thank you and bye.